In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our pricing calculator on our website to get an accurate quote for your cookbooks. So to find our pricing calculator, first you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom of the page that you are on, and you will see products. From here you can go to personal. This is where it will give you a breakdown of all of the binding styles we have available, as well as access to our pricing calculator over here on the right. The pricing you see here is our standard pricing, and that is for all books with 50 or less pages. So we could have 50 black and white pages and 0 colored pages, and when I calculate that price, it will stay the same. Again, I could do the opposite, so I could do 50 colored pages and 0 black and white pages, and again, that price will stay the same. The difference between black and white pages and colored pages, so a black and white page is any page with just text on it. A photo page is any page with a photo, even if that photo is a black and white photo. So that is how you will break up that pricing. Once I go over 50, so say that I had 100 black and white pages and 50 colored pages, I would again click calculate, and I can see that price increase. Now you can see below it, it tells you when there will be a price break. So pricing will change depending on the number of copies. If I come in here and select 20 and I click calculate, you will see that price decrease per book if you were to order 20 copies, and it will let you know when that next price break is. Now going through, you'll also have the chance to select a paper type. So if you know you want to go with premium paper, you can select that here. And you can also add ebook access or remove the Create My Cookbook logo for a 25% charge. You can then click calculate, and again, you'll see how all prices change for each binding style. You're always going to want to click this calculate button down here to get an accurate price for your book, and you can access this page at any time to get yourself a quote, so that you can understand what your price point will be at the end. And if you have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to our support team at support@createmycookbook.com, and we will be more than happy to assist.